Today, I will explain 4 things that are the foundation of internet and hacking. Once you understand these 4 things, you are good to go in cyber security. Now, the first one is IP address. Now, what is the meaning of IP address? IP simply means internet protocol. So this is what tells us where you are on the internet. IP address tells us where you are located on the internet. So IP address just like your house number. For example, if they live at number 1 Kizz Daniel Street. So if person won't locate you now, they will go straight to number 1 Kizz Daniel Street. So your address on internet, that is what we call IP address. As you are watching this video, you are watching from a particular place. And as you are connected to my video, watching this video right now, you are using what we call public IP address. Now it is that through that public IP address, I can track your location if you did not hide it or you did not use VPN. So that is what we call IP address. So on the internet now, it is the IP address that all those websites and devices used to locate one another. On the internet, nobody sabi each other name, but everybody sabi each other IP address. So that is why IP address is one of the number 1 foundation that you must understand in cybersecurity. Now let's go. We have 2 types of IP address that you must know. And these 2 types of IP address are, number 1, we have private IP, which is the local IP. Then we have public IP, which is the IP that is on internet. Now, the private IP, they are those IP that are within your local area network. They are within your phone. They don't go out. They are within your vicinity. They are within your phone or your laptop or your device. They are within you. They are around you. They are not far. Why public IP address? They are the one that you use to connect to the internet. So as you are watching this video on the internet, you are using public IP address. Now, you don't need to cram all private IP and all public IP. No, you don't do that. Now, just master the private IP. Then the remaining one, they are public IP. Now, let me tell you, this is how you master private IP. Now, you see, any IP address. So we have range of private IP address. Now, let me give you. The first range is any private IP address that start with 10.0.0.0, that is 4, to 10.255.255.255.255. Any IP within that range, they are private IP. So just know that any IP that start with 10, once you see 10, that one is a private IP. That is local IP address. The second range is when you see an IP address that has this range, 172.16.0.0 to 172.31